Mastering the with ordinal numbers, your next step in English fluency. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's lesson, where we'll be diving into an important, yet often overlooked, topic. How to use the with ordinal numbers. Whether you're counting days, ranking items, or telling stories, this lesson will help you improve your English language skills. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate position or order in a list or series. Examples include first, second, third, fourth, and so on. They differ from cardinal numbers, which are numbers we use for counting. 1, 2, 3, etc. The is a definite article in English. We use it when we're talking about something specific that both the speaker and listener know about. For example, we say, "I love the flowers in the park," when it's clear which park and which flowers we're referring to. When we combine the with ordinal numbers, it helps us to specify the order of something within a group. We usually say the first, the second, the third, and so on. She won the first prize in the competition. I live on the third floor of the building. It's the second time I'm visiting this museum. Let's practice with some exercises. 1. I can't believe this is third time I've lost my keys this week. 2. He finished second in the race. Now, let's check our answers. 1. I can't believe this is the third time I've lost my keys this week. 2. He finished the second in the race. Great job, everyone! We hope this video has made it clear how to use the with ordinal numbers. It's a small but essential step to making your English sound more natural and fluent. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and, until our next lesson, keep learning and growing.